Howdy folks, this is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company here in Bedford, Texas. We got a 2007 Harley-Davidson Ultra Classic, and this one has the Tow-Pac Trike conversion kit on it. If you'd like to know more about it, such as pricing, or if you'd like to view the VinSmart VIN report, which is very similar to our Carfax, you can click on the link below in the description and it'll take you directly to our website. And this one has the Brandywine Sun Glow and Pewter Pearl paint on it. It's got the 96-inch fuel-injected twin cam with a 6-speed transmission. We got some Vance & Hines slip-ons, the saddlebag guards, got the engine guard with the highway pegs, floorboards for the rider and the passenger. You've got factory security, electronic cruise control, got some aftermarket grips. It's got the chrome on the inner fairing, chrome switch houses, chrome master cylinder cap. This small little scratch right there, and then the paint on that master cylinder right there is bubbling up a little bit. We got some small heat shields. We've got some adjustable wind deflectors, LED headlight with the matching spot lamps. It's good tread on the front tire. It's good tread on that tire as well. We got the heel toe shifter on it. It's got a center stand. You can see right there, there's some markings on that heat shield. Chrome's kind of flaking off of that floorboard right there. It's good tread on that tire. And despite its minor flaws, the bike is in very good condition for the amount of miles that are on it. It's good tread on the rear tire. Bike has 75,000 miles on it. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and give us a call. Or you can always click on that link below in the description. It'll take you directly to our website where you can also view the rest of our inventory. We do have a full parts and service department. We offer finance and warranty options. We accept almost anything in on trade, and we ship and sell bikes worldwide. This is Rusty with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.